Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda and...
My name's Sunshine.
and today we are making sugar scrubs as presents. And we're bringing you guys along. This sugar scrub specifically is for Nana. We love Nana, huh? And we want to show her how much we love her. And we're going to make this sugar scrub for her to make her skin all nice and soft and feel pretty. Today's sugar scrub that we're making came from the doTERRA blog. So on their website they have lots of different DIYs for all kinds of things. Some are beauty things, some are just really practical tips, and we love their blog. So I'll list a link to that below in the description box so you guys can check that out for more ideas. So today's sugar scrub is going to be a gingerbread sugar scrub. It's going to smell like gingerbread and it's going to be yummy tasting and smelling. Yay. But we're not going to taste it, okay? Because it's not going to be for eating. It's just going to be a sugar scrub. Sound good?
Can I eat a sugar scrub?
No, they're not to eat. They're just to rub on your skin and make it feel all pretty.
Oh.
You ready?
Yes.
Cool. Alright y'all, my Sunshine Girl is actually going to make this because this is her present for her Nana from her. So she's going to do all the mixing. So in this bowl we have 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to pour for her a 1/2 cup of avocado oil. So we're using avocado oil today. If you have a fractionated coconut oil, you could use that, or an olive oil. The fractionated coconut oil is really great, specifically for presents that you think people are going to use over a long amount of time, because it won't go rancid. So doTERRA does sell a fractionated coconut oil that we really enjoy using, but today we're kind of being fancy, and we're going to use the avocado oil because I just want to. And I think that Nana is going to use this pretty quickly too. So, be still. Ready? You're going to stir this together, okay? Almost there. It's coming out slowly, huh? If I thought that she was going to use this over a long amount of time, though, I would use the fractionated. So to this mixture, we're going to put in about a teaspoon of vanilla. Stir that in good, babe. We're going to put about 1/2 teaspoon each of nutmeg and allspice. Y'all, I'm just shaking that in here. Estimating. I'm not getting precious with measurements for a sugar scrub. If you do, that's okay. It's your prerogative. That is the allspice. Then I'm going to put 5 drops each of cinnamon bark and ginger. I really, really love these. We keep these on hand all the time, especially if we're traveling. We keep that ginger with us. Ginger snaps are really easy to make with your ginger oil as well. So if you have any tummy issues on the go, it's a great option to have around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our gingerbread cookie sugar scrub would not smell the same without it. And we're going to do 5 drops also of the cinnamon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gravy. That smells so good. Mmm. Here, let me help you with the sides. Let's scrape the sides down and make sure it's all incorporated. Okay, y'all, my 3/4 cups of brown sugar was a little scant, so I did just add a little bit of turbinado sugar. You guys may have seen me use this in the popcorn we made a few days ago. And so I just put a little sprinkle of that in there to kind of thicken it up a little bit because I did measure that out and it was a little low. And I just thought about this, but turbinado sugar is really great for anything like this, any sugar scrubs that you're making, because it's just a little more coarse, and it's going to help exfoliate. Yes, yummy. It's going to help exfoliate your skin a little bit better. I want you guys to see this up close. This is going to be so luxurious. It smells amazing. It smells like you are going to turn into a cookie. So if that is exciting to you or sounds wonderful to you, you will love this sugar scrub. Okay, to get this in here with no fuss, we're going to use a canning funnel. And honey, I want you to help me scrape this into the hole there.
Okay.
Can you do that?
I can scrape off.
Easy, easy. Don't make a mess. There you go. We want all of it to go in the container. Good job. You're doing excellent. So this is an easy recipe for your kids to take part of. If your children want to make a gift for someone, this is just a really easy thing to help them learn how to make gifts and learn how to make things that are useful. Nana is also going to really love this. Okay, let me finish, baby. I'm going to scrape the top for you. And she's going to love it. And it's just from her Sunshine Girl. Isn't that awesome? Okay friends, so this is kind of like my oil corner. This is actually where I stand a lot of times. So in some videos you may be able to actually see the box behind me. But I thought I would zoom in here with some other options that you can use if you don't want to do the gingerbread scrub. One of my absolute favorite combinations is eucalyptus with green tea. So this is just green tea in a bag. You can empty this into your sugar scrub with just the sugar and the oil and put some drops of eucalyptus oil. This in the shower is going to be really, really helpful. It's going to help open airways. Eucalyptus is great for respiratory support. Along the same lines as Breathe, this is a respiratory blend. This blend has been specially formulated to support your respiratory system. You may want to dial back the amount of drops that you use if you decide to do a sugar scrub with Breathe, because it can be very, very intense. Whisper is a blend for women that a lot of women like to use as perfume. So it's not focusing there. Focus, focus. But a lot of women really like Whisper. Console would be a great one if you're giving this gift as like just a I love you gift after someone has lost a loved one, or you know, just anything to console a friend or family member that may be dealing with loss. Console is great for that. For grief, so if you're making a blend of something for that purpose, then this is a great one to put in a sugar scrub, just so somebody it almost feels like a hug when I smell this one. So I love this one as a gift to give somebody that's grieving. Elevation. This is one of my very favorite oils. I have dealt with depression much of my life. I have struggled with that, and when I smell Elevation, I just let go of that, and it's just very, very helpful to lift one's spirit. So if you are making this for a loved one that is struggling with their emotions or depression, this may be a great one to put in a sugar scrub for them so that they feel uplifted and joyful. On the other end of the spectrum, if you or your loved one is having trouble resting, this blend is going to be amazing for them. Serenity is the restful blend. So this one I recommend to people that have trouble falling asleep at night, and if they have issues in the evenings, this is going to be great for them to smell before bedtime. So if they take a shower or bathe in the evenings particularly and have that issue, then the Serenity is going to be great for them. So here we have that gingerbread sugar scrub. My mom is going to love this, and she's going to love it even more that Sunshine helped out with that. And pretty much made it herself. I just measured and poured things in, and she got it all ready. So that's going to be really exciting. She's tickled to pieces that she made this for my mom. And so it's just going to be really special. I know she's going to love it. She's going to use it really quickly. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing us make this, as well as seeing some other combinations that you may like to try. People make all kinds of different sugar scrubs. I've seen people use coffee and brown sugar and white sugar and turbinado sugar and different various oils. You could use coconut. You can use the avocado like we did today. I've seen a lot of people use a lot of different combos. So the sky's the limit with this. Get creative. Get your kids in the kitchen and work on making some of these. Make sure that if you are storing this in plastic, that it's a number 1 or 2 plastic. You can normally find that number on the bottom of the container. I would caution against using glass, just because this is probably going to go in or around a shower, and with slippery hands or anything, it could fall and break and cause someone to get hurt. So please remember that, keep that in mind. And we could attach, I'm thinking about putting some raffia around the top and attaching like a wooden spoon or something like that. That would be really pretty and helpful to scoop it out as you need it. So thank you guys so much for stopping by and sharing some time with us. I really enjoyed having you guys in the kitchen with us this evening. I encourage you to get your kids in the kitchen, mamas. If you have a loved one that you want to make something for, that your kids have mentioned wanting to make something for, this is a really inexpensive option, and it was really, really fun. So we enjoyed it. I hope you got lots of ideas, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another DIY. Thanks for stopping by. Bye!